Hi, good morning everyone. I'm Radio Kutan from Carmona, Cavite, Philippines, a proud member of Global Community. And last August 3, 2015, I provided help amounting to 5,000 pesos. And yesterday, August 4, 2015, I requested help amounting to 5,600 pesos. And this 5,600 pesos is from bonus for my video chain letters worth of 64.94 and 94.41, and also from my macro mining bonus plus 10%, 500 pesos, and from my LM mining light 5,000, equivalent to 5,600 pesos. And this was given by Castilian Charlo Christopher. Thank you so much for providing this amount. Thank you, MM, and long live MM. Hi, good morning everyone. I'm Radio Kutan from Carmona, Cavite, Philippines, a proud member of Global Community. Last August 3, 2015, I provided help amounting to 5,000 pesos. And August 4, 2015, I requested an amount of 5,600 pesos. This 5,600 pesos is from my bonus for my video training letters 64.94 and 94.41, and from my MM mining light plus 10% bonus, that is the 5,000 pesos and the 500 pesos. All in all is 5,600 pesos. And this assistance is given by Castilian Charlo Christopher. And I already received this amount today. Thank you so much. Thank you, MM, and long live MM.